everybody, Isabel here. Thanks for watching. Today we'll be flying Spirit Airlines from New York City, LaGuardia to Orlando, Florida. On this Spirit Airline flight, we booked the big seats, which is their equivalent to their business class. The cost was $38 per seat. I was pleasantly surprised how comfortable these seats were. You get plenty of legroom and armrest. There were only 2 rows and 2 seats side by side. The big seats were amazing and I really love how comfortable I was. However, for drinks and snacks, you still have to buy everything just like the regular seats. There's a really large tray table inside your armrest. Overall, if you fly in Spirit Airlines and you can afford the big seat, go for it. It's totally worth it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye.